Oh. Yo, yo, yo. Let's see what's up here. So, I got the Dow Jones here. What's the Russell 2000 doing? Got a signal down. Okay. Let's watch both of them. We got a big wake up. I have the Dow Jones right here. All right, so no data. Let's take a look at the Russell. So, what? Okay. All right. Let's keep watching. It's looking like it wants to hold. So, got to make a quick decision here. So, what time is it? 9:38. Break below. I think I'm going to shoot my shot here. I'm not going So, okay. Oh, I don't like that fucking huge wick. Let's move our stop loss down. Let's have our stop right there. Let's see what happens here. Damn, I don't fucking like that big ass wick. Oh, that wick is kind of disgusting. I'm not even going front. Huh. So you got price action pivoting down. What's the 5 minute doing? Damn, bro, I got bought back up. Bro, is this gonna be a repeat of what happened yesterday, dog? Man, dude, I got bought back up. That's fucking crazy, dog. This is 2 times in a row. Yesterday I got bought back up on the Dow Jones. Now today I got bought back up on the fucking Russell. I gave, price action 9 minutes to pick a direction. We get everything down just to get bought back down. That's crazy, dog. We're still gonna hold though, because our indicators are still to the downside and price action is still to the downside. We're just getting bought back up by this pivot level right here. So the move is still down. The move is still down. But god damn, bro, 2 times in a row, that shit really be getting to you, dog. Mentally in your head, it's like, bro, like I got a good entry to the downside. Then within a minute, you just get bought back up. Like that's fucking crazy, dog. What's up, Moto? Good morning. Um, yeah, bro, that's insane. How am I getting wrecked within like the first like 1 minute of like getting into the live stream and trading? That's fucking crazy. Now I have to do a calculated fucking decision on my next trade if I get stopped out. Yeah, so I don't think this is gonna work out. We have the MACD flipping back. I mean, it's kind of flat. It's not pointing up. Okay, now it's pointing up. It's kind of pointing up, and we have RSI coming up. This shit's already fucking gone bad. And we just started. What a fucking wonderful start to the day. So, let's see here. Yeah, bro, like everything was pointing down. I just got, unfortunately, I got bought back up. There's like literally nothing I can do about it. There is absolutely zero things that I can do about this. You know, we had big candle down. We got an alert to the downside. I waited for price action to retrace, got a good entry, indicators to the downside. And then within the minute got instantly bought back up. Nothing I can do. I have an appropriate stop loss right there. So we'll see if it even comes back down. Um okay, that's a good sign. So I don't really trade with EMAs anymore, but I wanna see what's the what's the EMAs telling me. So okay, trend is to the downside. The EMAs are not braided. So we got a big candle down. I just got bought back up like crazy. So 2416.3. All right, so I'm getting okay, we're getting a big candle down. Fuck yeah, bro. Thank God, bro. Oh my God. Thank God. Jesus, bro. All right, so we got price action coming down. We're gonna move our stop loss down. We're gonna bring that bitch down. So let's start measuring right here. We're at a 1.25 right there. We're gonna leave our stop loss right there, just above super trend. Let's see if we can break this level right over here and get a flush to the downside. We have indicators falling. Now we have the RSI coming down and we have the MACD coming down. A little bit of a it looks like candle got held right here on that level. So let's bring my stop loss down even more. Cutting risk, cutting risk, cutting risk. So right now, this is a 1.5 if I leave it. So let's see what happens here. Price flushing, watching this candle. Hopefully we can get the candle body leaving this pivot level because looks like this level right here is pretty strong. It got bought back up like crazy, came back down. Now it's acting fugazi. So I'm going to protect myself and bring my stop loss even further down. We're just going to protect my capital even further. So what are we at? We're at a 2.31. What's a 1.5? A 1.5 would be right there. So let's watch what price action does. So right here is a 1.5. I'm dynamically changing it, changing up that risk to reward ratio. We're gonna leave our take profit right there. Hopefully it gets hit. We're watching it. We're watching it. Price is acting fucking funny on that level. Oh my God, it's acting funny on that fucking level. So we're gonna bring our stop loss further down. We're cutting down that fucking risk because it looks like it's respecting that level. So we have a doji candle. It's coming up. Let's keep watching. Keep watching. It's oh my God, it's respecting that fucking level, bro. So we're gonna keep holding Just watching price action, watching price action. I don't like that fucking candle. So we're gonna do this. Um, let's bring that stop loss down even further. Let's make this trade free. I don't like that candle. It looks like it held on that level. And yeah, we're gonna leave our stop loss right there. Let's give it a little bit more breathing room. Ooh, let's give it a little bit more. So it almost hit my take profit. It's fucking popping up on that fucking on that level. At least I got stopped out in profit. So damn, bro, I was so close to get that take profit hit, but it looks like it got rejected there. Unfortunately, that's just the way trading is, and it is what it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that. At least I'm profitable. Can we break that level? So I don't know if I want to jump back in. Price action looks like it wants to break that level right there. Price is being funny right here. Damn, bro. That's such a bummer, bro. That's such a bummer. That price action wanted to I was so close to hitting my take profit, but it didn't get to it. Okay, it is what it is. So we're out of this play. We're not gonna do nothing else. I'm not gonna invent the wheel. I mean, if I would have left it at break even, I would have gotten stopped out. Anyways, so okay. There's nothing to see here, so we're gonna take a look at the Dow Jones. Maybe we can find an opportunity here. It's coming up. Price action is fucking choppy, very choppy on the Dow Jones. So let's come to the 5 minute. Let's take a look at where, okay, price action is breaking above the 200 EMA on the 5 minute. Let's highlight it right there. We're gonna put that line and we're gonna come back to the 3 minute and we're gonna watch price action right here. It's very tight. There is a pivot level right there, right next to that 200 EMA. So as I stated before, my biggest one of my biggest weaknesses is price action breaking the 200 EMA because it's very tricky. Every time price action is around the 200 EMA, it acts fucking weird. It acts very weird. So in order for me to combat that, I have to make sure that it holds on the 200 EMA. So, okay, we have the MACD coming up. It's pointing up. MACD signal line coming up. The signal line is pointing up. RSI is above 50. I would rather want the RSI really above it. So we got a candle break. This candle needs to hold above that 200 and above that 5 minute 200. And on the third candle, that's when you enter. But I can't get a long signal unless the parabolic SAR turns bullish. So price action has to technically come like right around here in order for me to get a trade signal, which is away from the 200 EMA, which makes it perfect because then I have some real estate above the 200 EMA. So that gives me a better confluence of it. So what's the 5 minute doing? On the 5 minute, we come over here. It's coming up and price action is coming up. It looks very favorable on the MACD and the RSI. So we're gonna switch back to the 3 minute and we're watching it hold. Let's come back to the Russell 2000. It looks like it bought back up. So thank God that I put my stop loss um, around break even. I'm practically break even. I'm like up $5 on the day. Um, I got fucking limp dick by a few takes to get my take profit. I couldn't fucking get my take profit. It is what it is. That's what it is in trading. Trading fucks you up psychologically. And if you're not in control, it will control you. So you just have to be okay with the results that happen. If I made $5, oh well, at least I'm not fucking down $100. So we're gonna wait for price action here. The second candle, it's holding, it's coming up. So if price can break above this predictive level, I'm gonna take the trade, even though we're waiting for that parabolic starter flash green. That's when I'm gonna get a suggested long. But I can just tell by price action, and by the indicators, super trend pointing up, everything is pointing up, that the likely scenario of me getting a trade signal is favorably high. So we're gonna wait and see what happens here. Um, we're gonna wait for this one to hold, and we're gonna wait for price action to break this predicted level. Then we're gonna take that trade going long. What happens here? We're waiting for this one to hold. We're gonna wait for price action to break this predicted level. Then we're gonna take that trade going long. Mm. So right here, this third candle held on that 200. So right here would have been a great price entry, but I'm gonna play it safe and wait for price to break this level. Because I can enter tight right here. Um, but this predictive level is making me nervous. And I'd rather trade more confidently. So hopefully this shit doesn't fucking run on my ass. Um, so pointing up, RSI coming up, and we're just gonna keep on waiting. Let's come back to the 5 minute. 5 minute, it's candle break above the 200. So it held. Okay, it's running. Let's come to the 3 minute right here. So we're gonna wait, we're gonna wait, we're gonna wait. I need price to break that predictive level, and we're gonna take it. Okay, not too bad. Okay, got some good price action. Got 50 seconds on this candle. Price coming up. The likelihood of it breaking, it's pretty good. Okay, got 10 seconds on this candle. Will it break above? Um, we got good price action, so I think I might take it way tighter. Okay. action still pretty strong. I gotta shoot my shot eventually, so let's measure a 1-to-1, even though that 1-to-1 is pretty high because the ATR on the super trend is pretty fucking high. But so we're gonna leave that right there. And as price action develops, that's when we'll start moving our stop loss and start changing the risk to reward. So let's see. So the ATR is pretty high. I might just move my stop loss like right here and cut that risk to reward. Let me take a look at the 5-minute. Yeah, let's start moving our stop loss. So we're gonna move our stop loss right there. Let's measure this right here. It's a 1.35. Still not a 1.5, but as we proceed, we will start adjusting that risk to reward ratio. So we got a suggested long right here. We got a trade signal coming up because it broke the parabolic SAR. So of course we have our indicator saying suggested long. So price action is popping up. So at this point, we are gonna cut some risk out the table. So this is a 1.62. Let's start measuring a 1.5. What's up, Ashley L? Okay, not too shabby. Let's take a look at our sub indicators. Uh, Lots of separation on that MACD. Strength is extremely strong. The more separation we have between these two lines, the better. The farther away the RSI is above the moving average, the better. So price is progressing. Most I am probably gonna have my TP right here at 45,163. That's the safest bet. Right there, that's the safest bet at 45,163. Let's adjust it right there. Okay, let's bring that down. That's a 1.24. So we have lots of strength here. RSI way above its moving average. MACD still very strong. We have a doji candle on this level. It's trying to break it. So let's move up our stop loss right here. Price is progressing smoothly. So we got a 1.5 right there. This is gonna be my final trade design right here. I changed my risk to reward ratio as I move my stop loss, I move my take profit, adjusted it to a 1.5, and this right here is gonna be the final trade design. I'm not gonna touch it anymore, and that's just what it is gonna be. So let's keep watching to see if we can break above that predictive level. Everything is coming up, so all good and gravy. Sub indicators are still going strong. Price action developing. Price action keeps on going. Look at this wick buying pressure. Nice fat candle body. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Allow this to progress. We broke above right here. Let's move up that stop loss. Cut some more risk. Right there. We're gonna leave our stop loss right there. Okay. Now we're watching it closely. I should make my trade free, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. So price is developing nice and smooth. It's coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up. We're getting close. I'm basically at a no risk type of trade. Put our stop loss right there. Keep on watching. Let's put our stop loss underneath this candle right there. I'm just right now, I'm just trailing it. If it doesn't work out, I'm gonna leave with something. So we're watching this candle, some weakness right here on this pivot level. It's coming back down. Please don't stop me out. Please don't stop me out. So we're definitely getting some weakness right here. Okay. Got 30 seconds on this candle. Small body right here. Price action is stalling. It's undecided, doesn't know what it wants to do. Price action will tell you a lot. It'll tell you a lot. Small bodies right there with two big wicks tells you price indecision. Doesn't price action does not know what it wants to do right here. There's an obvious reaction on this level. So let's move our stop loss right there. We're gonna move it just below that candle. Um, yeah, it's stalling at this point, and it's most likely gonna stop me out. But at least I'm in profit. Some buying pressure up to the upside. It's coming up. right here, and I just decided to get out because it's very undecided, does not know what it wants to do. So we are just going to leave. Target was up here, but price is just yeah on that level, on this level right here. Um, Close enough. We're just gonna take it. I mean, pretty like we're up 90 bucks. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, dude. I took a trade right here. Nick. I entered on this on this candle right here. I got in like right here at literally at the bottom. Price came up. See, look at that shit. Thank God that I got out of this trade. So one thing that made me get out of this trade, damn, I got out at the perfect fucking time. I got out at the perfect time. So one thing that helped me out to get out of this fucking trade, on another screen I have a band right here. Um, and price was just teetering right here. It was teetering on the top of this band. It just didn't know what to do. It didn't know what to do. So, plus this candle was small body, big wick. When candles have big bodies like this, that's a lot of buying pressure. When it starts getting little tiny bodies with bigger wicks on top, look at that big wick right there and big wick right there and small bodies, it's telling you price indecisiveness. Before this big ass red candle, that's what it was doing right here. Plus it was teetering around. That's why I'm like, you know what? I'm just getting the fuck out of here. I'm on the Dow Jones, dude. MYM. This is my second trade, bro. Thank God I got out. So the green price action is very important. It's very important. The candles will tell you a story. It will tell you a story. So thank God that I got out. I got out in profit and on time. Let's check what the Russell 2000 is doing. It's down. Nick, I took a position. Russell price came down. It got back up, came down, and missed my fucking take profit by a hair. I missed my take profit by a hair on the Russell 2000. Thankfully, I was already at break even because price was being weird. It was being weird. So I got stopped out break even. That's when I entered the Dow Jones trade. And thank God that I left. Thank God that I left because now it's not doing anything. So yeah, very important to read price action. So I got stopped out. Great. That's when I entered it out. Thank God that I left. Um. So yeah, I think that's it for the day. What's something else doing? What's MES doing? What's MNQ doing? MNQ's not doing nothing, just chopping around, chop, 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 chop. Thank God I didn't get it to chop. Thank God. None of this price action looks good. God damn, Russell 2000. I'm getting another trade signal to the downside right here. That candle's fucking huge though. It's huge. It's finally breaking that fucking level that I wanted. God damn! Oh my god! Look at that. If price would come back up here, I would take that shit. So we have yeah, that shit is coming down, bro. Coming down. Okay, so price is coming back up. Oh, do I want to take yeah. Oh, do I want to take this trade? Do I want to take this trade? It looks good. It looks good. It looks good. It looks good. Ooh. Oh my God, I want to take this trade. That shit's coming up, bro. This is a good entry right there, bro. Right here is a good ass entry. Oh, I don't know if I want to take it, bro. Ah, I could just be fucking green and leave. Dog, it looks so good and have such a good entry, bro. After a fat candle, it retraced very nice. Oh. So let's take a look at the 5 minute right here. Coming down. Don't retrace on me now, baby. So stop loss. I think I'm gonna have my stop loss right there. Let's okay, so you're in, Nick. The ATR is pretty high, so you might need a wide stop. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. You're in at 2419.30. Okay. Yeah, so it's coming down, but I think you're gonna need a wide stop. So we're gonna leave that there. The ATR is really fucking high. Just one contract. Okay, that's fine. If you're in one contract, you're good. So price action is coming down. What's the trend looking like? It's coming down. So we're getting a flush down right here. Let's just move that stop loss. Fuck that. ATR is too fucking fat. Oh yeah, baby, let's go. Let's go. What's a 1.5? I might just fucking take that shit right there. You know what? I'm just gonna fucking take that shit. I'm not comfortable with the price action. That shit's way too fucking big. I'll take the fucking scalp. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Okay. So two trades on the day, profitable. Price is looks like it's coming down, but goddamn, bro, I'm just not comfortable with fucking fat ass candles. I'd rather be safe than sorry. I know I could have made more money, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. This thing is coming down though, no doubt. It's coming down. That shit MACD is so separated, pointing down, RSI coming down. That thing is, you can see it coming down even further, but I'm just not comfortable, bro. I'm just not comfortable. On the Dow Jones, it was like I like slow progression, like it slowly progresses. I'm comfortable with that. With fucking fat moves like that, hell no, bro. That shit's crazy, dog. Because with big ass candles, they'll jump right back at you. So, if I can get some money out of it, fuck it, I'm good. I'm good. So, uh, profitable day. It was a very good day today. Very good day today. As I said, slow and steady progress. Slow and steady progress. But yeah, that's all, folks. I'm gonna go work out. I looks like I finished earlier than yesterday. Thank God. All right, guys. Peace out. And good luck, Nick. Pretty sure it's gonna come back down, bro. Let's take a look at the 5 minute for you. So on the 5 minute, let's take a look at the sub indicators, and the sub indicators are coming down. So I think you're good with that one contract. I don't know. I don't think you should add. Just leave that one contract. All right, bro. Peace out.